Good evening, friends. I am Neeraj Pathak, the founder of Samruddhi Trading Academy and Signals. My qualification is in Diploma in Electronics, trading since last 6 years, active trader in equity and MCX, successful stock market trainer and mentor since 3 years. Our specializations are in data analysis, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading with trader psychology. We trade only with concept of option trading strategies. What are options trading strategies? The option trading strategy means we do trading with some hedging strategies. We do not do options in naked because market is not a gambling. It is with some concepts, some levels which we have to do. So if we will do in a option trading strategies which are called as a hedging strategies, in that we will be booking maximum profit and minimum loss, but our we will be standing in the market to trade. Our capital will be not been square off. Otherwise, some do as a gambling, come for a trade, take trades, and sometimes their capital becomes waived off. So we will be not doing that type. We will be doing only in option trading strategies. For making this video, the purpose is that tomorrow is a budget, and on a budget day we will be trading in these hedging strategies, which will be beneficial for us. That if a market moves either side, I don't know that market will move or upside or a downside, but if market move on a either side, we will be booking profit, only profit, no loss will be booked. So these are the hedging strategies which we will be discussing on today's video. Overview on Bank Nifty, long straddle, short strangle, short straddle, iron butterfly. I had given the approximate capital we will be requiring to do this. Long strangle, it will be required 25,000. Long straddle also will be required 25,000. Short strangle will require 70,000. Short straddle will be requiring 70,000. Iron butterfly will require 50,000. In intraday or a positional, intraday it might be less, but for positional it will require 50,000. Overview on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has already made a doji candle on daily chart, as well as on a monthly chart. So we will be looking for Bank Nifty specially to trade. Nifty has made doji candle day before on Thursday expiry day, and after that we seen that it has closed below 13,750, which is a high support level. After that it comes to 13,500, which is a high support level again. But we will be trading on a Bank Nifty because on a budget day Bank Nifty moves around 3 to 4%. So we will be doing Bank Nifty trades. So these are the strategies. These are the Nifty movements before budget, after budget, on the day of budget. Normally from Feb 7 to 1st Feb 20, these are the movements. Normally Nifty doesn't move 5.8% or something. It can move around 2 to 2 3%. It's my calculation about tomorrow. I'll tell you why I'm telling about 3% and all. But my calculation is that Nifty can move either side in tomorrow's session around 2 to 3%. Okay. Long strangle. What does long strangle means? Long strangle means buying a call option and a put option with the difference in some points between two strike prices. Means if on budget day Bank Nifty opens near CMP current market price, which is 30,500, then traders should be buying difference of 200 call and put options. Example, Bank Nifty CMP would be 30,500. Then we have to add 200 points in a strike price, that is 30,500 plus 200, and we should buy a 30,700 call option, which will be approx I think so 300 or 350 something. And we should buy as well as to hedge 13,500 minus 200, which will be 30,300 put. In this, risk will be limited, reward will be unlimited. Capital you require 25,000, in that you should calculate around 10 to 15% returns. Reward will be unlimited and risk would be around 500 to 700 rupees. That would be this. So risk would be limited, reward will be unlimited. Now next strategy is long straddle. What does mean long straddle? Long straddle means buying a call option and a put option with the same strike prices. Means if on a budget day Bank Nifty opens near CMP 30,560, then trader should buy nearest call and put option, which has also called as a ATM call or a put option. ATM means at the money call and at the money put option. Example, if Bank Nifty is opening near 30,560, then we should buy 30,600 call and 30,600 put. Why? Because you can see 30,560, the nearest strike price of ATM at the money call and at the money put, that is 60, because just a 40 points difference is there. And if you calculate for 30,500, then the price becomes difference becomes 60 points. Price of the strike prices becomes 60 points. So we will go for 30,600 call and 30,600 put, which will be around 400 something. In this also risk will be limited, reward will be unlimited. In this also risk limited means around 500 to 1000 rupees. Why I'm telling 500 to 1000 rupees? Because we are buying with the same strike prices, so our risk will be much higher than long strangle, which will be around 700 to 1000 rupees, 300 more. And reward will be unlimited, that again 10 to 15% of your capital requirement. Means you are investing 25,000, so you should go for the profit of 2500 to 4,000. As and when you will see this profit, you have to book your profits, because on a budget day market is highly volatile. To be safe, you have to book this profit. Moving to the next strategy, that is short strangle. Short strangle is quite bit like long strangle only, but in this short strangle we sell call option and put option with the difference in some points between two strike prices. Same, if on budget day Bank Nifty opens near 30,500, then trader should sell 200 difference call and put option. Example, Bank Nifty opens near 30,500, sell 30,500 plus 200, that is 30,700 call, and sell 30,500 minus 200, that is 30,300 put. But what the difference is in long strangle and short strangle? The main difference is risk. In this, your risk will be unlimited and your reward will be limited. Reward limited means your reward will be around 1,000 to 2,000, and your risk would. So we were talking about the risk and reward. The risk will be unlimited, which will be around, can't say, but 4,000 to 5,000, and reward will be limited, which is 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. Same in short straddle also, but in short straddle what we do, selling a call option and a put option with the same strike prices. In this, if Bank Nifty opens near CMP 30,560, we will be sell 30,600 call and 30,600 put. And this also risk will be unlimited, reward will be limited. In this, risk will be around 2,500 to 5,000 rupees, reward will be near to 2,000 rupees. Fifth strategy is iron butterfly. In this iron butterfly is made of a combination of two strategies. In this strategy, we will sell ATM at the money call and put option with hedging for buy far OTM call and put option. Means what? OTM means out the money put. Bank Nifty is trading on first Feb 30,560. So we will sell 30,600 call and 30,600 put, whereas we will buy 30,600 plus 500, that is 31,100 call, and we will sell 30,600 minus 500 points, that is 30,100 put. In that, risk will be limited, reward will be limited. What do you mean by limited risk and limited reward? That the reward will be 2,500, risk will be around 2,500. That's it. But we will be it will be play as a 1:1 ratio. But this strategy will be in safe because you are selling call option as well as buying call option. In this strategy, you can use a trader mindset. What is trader mindset? That I will tell you. If you are buying 30,000, if you are buying 30,600 call, wait, I'll change the color. You're buying 30,600 call and 30,600 put, which will be approximately above 500. So in that case, if you buy both this, you are selling this both, then when the rally start after the budget, means it will be around 1 or 1:30. When the rally start, whichever is whichever side the rally begins, you have to square of the another position. Means if the let's assume that a bank nifty gets short side on a strong, means after opening in on 30,600 560, bank nifty sustains goes near 30,800, and after that bank nifty comes down and it starts selling because 30,000 is a strong support. After 30,000 we can achieve 29,500 and 29,000 levels very easily. So if after 30,000, you will what you will do, you will just square of 30,000 600 put. Why? Because 30,600 as the rally will start, this 500 call will be seen near to 1,000 rupees. This would be the rally. So if the while starting the rally, you will be seeing this 500 call near to 650 or 700. So if you exit near 650, this more 350 would be your profit. And while selling and doing this strategy, always you have to buy first, then sell. While exiting, you have to sell first and then buy entry square off. So if let's assume that nifty is going, nifty becomes on a bullish side, that nifty has started rally above 31,000. So when 31,000 rally begins, your 30,600 put, which we had bought on 500 points, it will be going decreasing, whereas 30,000 call, which we had bought at 500 rupees, it will start increasing. Let's assume that on a 800 points, you square off your call option strategy, only sell side, your buy side will be intact. So you will stop making loss in this call selling call, and you will make profit in this, whereas you will make profit in this put and you will make loss in this, but this loss will be minimum because 30,100, which will be around 300. So 300 and this put, it will give more than that, because 30,600 call it is on 500, this would be 300. If it becomes 50 rupees also, then also your selling call 30,600 would be around 100 rupees, then too you will be in profit. But if the rally begins near call side, you will be making some loss. So you will, you if you use a trader wala mindset, you exit on a as a rally starts, you will exit on 30,800, near 800 or something 1,000 rupees also, then also you will make a good profit around 3,000 to 5,000 will be your profit for tomorrow's iron butterfly strategy. That's it, friend. These are the 5 strategies that has to be played tomorrow. Thank you and happy trading. But I'll tell you again, don't trade in naked options. Please trade in hedging strategies. Whatever, tomorrow I will be taking iron butterfly strategy, whereas also I will be taking a long strangle strategy, which is already I am holding. That strategy is, if you want, I'll tell you. The strategy is, I had bought 30,000, 30, sorry, 32,000 call option, whereas I had sold 29,000 put option. Its CMP is around 185 and its CMP is near 175. Let's see what happens on Monday, but I will be exiting this call or this call on a, on when and where the rally starts. On the either side, if there will be on a put side or a call side, budget is there, the rally has to begin. So we will be exiting on that side. uh, let's hope whatever it is, but we will be making profit, and I hope that all of you will be making profits. So happy budget day trading, and thank you.